Sound keeps drifting lower, and honestly, this chart feels exhausted in the wrong direction. Every bounce lately has been sold, which tells me supply is still controlling the tape. The $6 area is the first place I'm watching because it's nearby support, but I'm not buying just because price gets there. I want demand to validate first. If we can reclaim 678 and build above it, then maybe this becomes interesting again. Until then, chasing reversals just feels unnecessary. No point forcing trades when confirmation simply isn't there. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon. Link in the description.